What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to another episode of Heat Seekers. So today we're looking at Chilli Drinking Chocolate from Cocoa and Coffee in Annandale, New South Wales. I bought this off of eBay, of all places, so we'll see how we go. It says organic Peruvian cocoa, raw sugar, and sweet chilies. A mild chili drinking chocolate. It can be mixed with any type of milk or water to make a cup of drinking chocolate. You mix 1 or 2 teaspoons of drinking chocolate with some of boiling water and mix it with any liquid served hot or cold. This product is vegan. It's an interesting little blurb. It doesn't make a lot of sense. We'll see how we go. Not many other details. It's just cocoa, sugar, and chilies. So I made it with a dash of milk, about a tablespoon of the drinking chocolate, and a trusty mug of hot water. Very chocolatey. Not very sweet. And to be totally honest, I can't actually taste any chilies at all. Somewhat disappointing, because it would be very warming in winter. You can almost see the looks like maybe like chili powder or something floating on top. You'll see what I'm talking about there. But it is really yummy. Oh, a little bit of spice now. I think the cup is so hot that it was sort of disguising the little tang from the chilies. So, I'm not going to lie, a little disappointed about the drinking chocolate, but I do have something else today. That'll be these. Gorilla Corn, hot and spicy flavour. Now, I believe these were picked up in the Asian section of Coles. My wife found these for me. So, they look really good. They look a little bit like Twisties, and it says hot and spicy in big letters, and it's got pictures of what looks like cayenne chilies on the front. Not really a lot of information. Ingredients are corn, vegetable oil, paprika flavor, chili powder, flavor enhancers, soy sauce powder, salt, spices, anti-caking agent, maltodextrin, flavor, and colorings. So let's give them a go. Oh, yeah. It's like Twisties. They look a lot like Twisties. That's going to focus, it's not. Heaps of seasoning. Tastes like Twisties. Again, big hits of paprika. I wouldn't say any spice though. Not yet anyway. Actually, I had heard on, well, I'd read that these were really spicy on the internet. But you can't always trust what you read on the internet. These are good. They're just like a different flavoured Twisty. It's the best information I can give you, but they are really good. And they're from Colby. Or Colby. Colby Snacks. Yeah, that's about it. That's all I got. That's the end of afternoon tea. I think next video I'm going to look at a hot sauce by 13 Angry Scorpions. I have tried it before, so I'm not going to lie there, but it's an absolute banger. So that's about it. But yeah, great little snack. The drinking chocolate, it's really good, but it's just drinking chocolate. No big chili flavours there. No spice to speak of. But it is a nice drinking chocolate. But I don't know if it was worth the extra money. That's all I got for you today. Subscribe if you haven't. Like if you do. Tell your friends if you want to. I'm Kieran and this has been the Heat Seekers YouTube channel.